Britney Spears' father has agreed to step down as the pop star's conservator after 13 years. Jamie Spears has been in control of her estate and other aspects of her life since a court-ordered agreement was given to him following public concerns over her mental health in 2008. Britney later tried to remove him from the role, citing conservatorship abuse, which he denies. Our correspondent Noel Phillips is in New York for us. Good morning to you, Noel. So, explain this to us. Does this mean that Britney is now back in control again?
Good morning, Pip. The short answer is not yet. As it stands, Jamie Spears is still in control of his daughter's $60 million estate. He has said, though, that he intends to step aside, I quote, when the time is right. But make no mistake, this is a huge victory for Britney Spears and her fans. She gave that emotional testimony, didn't she, last month, begging a judge in Los Angeles to release her from this conservatorship. Her mom has commented in the last couple of hours saying she supports her ex-husband's decision and saying that Jamie has done the right thing. But this high-profile legal battle really is reaching boiling point as Britney Spears fights to regain control of her life and legacy. In a landmark moment within the ongoing fight for her freedom, Britney Spears' father has announced he will step aside from overseeing her conservatorship. This comes just weeks after the 39-year-old's attorney, Matthew Rosengart, told Good Morning Britain Jamie Spears should resign as co-conservator of her estate.
It's not a resignation. It's more of a terms of surrender that he's trying to negotiate. He says that he will step aside on condition that she pay $1.2 million in attorney's fees that he's expended, which she's objected to.
In a 15-page court filing, Jamie Spears denied allegations he abused his authority. He also said if the public knew all the details of Britney's personal life, they would be praising him. He goes on to say he intends to work with the court and his daughter's new attorney to prepare for an orderly transition to a new conservator.
Even if he's done everything proper, even if there was no misconduct, the fact that we have Jamie in charge of Britney and they're not speaking, and there's allegations being made of abuse by Britney against her father, that places him in a conflict of interest.
In her own words, Britney says she just wants her life back. But her decade-long fight for freedom is far from over. Noel Phillips, Good Morning Britain, New York.